So we're having issues here. Our turn signals is not flashing, or as you see, it's hyper flashing. We'll try to fix it. So we're taking off the seat so we can access the wires. Still, the resistance is not enough, so we're gonna put more resistance to it. Okay, here we go. So it's not flashing, or if you would notice, it's actually hyper flashing, so flashing very rapidly that it doesn't look like it's flashing at all. So we're gonna put, the reason it's not flashing because there's no resistance. We're gonna put a little bit of resistance to it so the flasher would work, because it needs resistance for the flasher to work. Try this. There you go. Now, because of the resistance of the headlight bulb, now it is flashing. As soon as we take this off, it's not gonna flash again. Look. Okay. To fix it, we're gonna put a resistor to it. So I ordered a bunch of resistors. This is how they look like. So it says 50 watts and oh, so the issue was our turn signal is hyper flashing or not flashing at all. It looks like it's not flashing. So to solve it, we're gonna install a 50 watt 6 ohms resistor to it. There we go. Let's see if it will work. We're just gonna wrap it around for now. There you go. Now there's resistance going to the relay, so now it's flashing. Now we're gonna solder it to make it more permanent, and we're gonna do the other side as well, because this is only for the left. If you would see the handlebar turn signals is now flashing as well right here. But the right one still hyper flashing, so we're gonna do the other one as well. So while I was off, while I'm doing this, I took the time to replace my turn signals for a smaller one. Yes, I kinda don't like the bigger one, so I'm gonna put a simpler one, but they're LED and same thing. So we'll try it now if it works. Now I have my left and the right. It's time to put it back together and make it clean. Now we're gonna try the turn signals. Moment of truth. Here comes the left. Works. The right side. Works. Now we're done. Thank you for watching.